But while there are many that are playing sports, for some periods are becoming an obstacle. Unsurprisingly, the dropout of sports amongst young girls as they hit puberty is 75%. That's actually 3 times higher than what it is for boys the same age. Now, at PSAF, we believe periods are natural and they should not come in between a child's confidence, passion, or even sports. And we're here today to actually level up our last year's initiative. We started something called Zero Period. Zero Period was our endeavor to actually go in and hijack the zero period of school kids, where we would go and educate them about periods. Imagine a 10 or 11-year-old girl, she's getting a period, she has absolutely no information about how to handle it, and she's extremely overwhelmed. And I think that over the last year has actually reached nearly 100 schools. We've taught or educated nearly a few thousand girls actually about periods, how to manage them. And very interestingly, we've actually also included boys in that conversation.
Why boys?
I feel for anything to get actually normalized, the conversation between boys and girls have to be done. There were instances where we saw boys were making fun of girls when they were on the period. And that was happening because there wasn't enough conversation in our society about periods.
And education. Educating boys as well.
Yeah.
Well, actually, it's a very filmy story when I got my first periods. Actually, I have not made it up, trust me. But so I remember I got selected for the school nationals. Back then, I don't know if school nationals still happens, but there used to be school nationals.
Yeah,
which is,
even now.
Okay, yeah. So I got selected and I was supposed to head to Jammu by a train. And I think I was taking a train from Pune because we were a Maharashtra team, so we were all assembled in Pune. And I remember my mom and dad had come to just drop me off, and I went to the washroom, and then that's the first time I realized, okay, there's something unusual, because of course at that time the education was not around that much that you know what's happening. Now I'm so happy that we are doing all those things which of course we understand what's happening. So I just rushed to my mom and I was like, something wrong, and then she just bought me a pad and told me how to put it and all of that stuff, and then she said, you're not going now. And I was like, please. And I did all my school drama which I had learned, and I'm like, Mummy, nahi, mujhe please ek chance de de, jaane de. She's like, no, I don't have a problem of you playing, but I mean, you don't know, you're just traveling for the first time you've got period. I don't know if I have to like leave you. And that's when my seniors came into play and they're like, don't worry, we'll take care of her, please leave her. And the train is leaving and I'm trying to convince my parents that please let me go. And at the end, my mom is like, ja Simran, ja type.
That could not be more Bollywood than that. That's a great story.
Very important, because a lot of unusual thing happens which as a kid you don't know that these are things which are going to happen. There are few body types who get a lot of pain at different places in the body. We have a lot of girls in the team as well who struggle. There are few who are okay with it. So it depends on how your body type is. Nothing to do with health or anything else. It's just maybe how God's made that body, which I think it's very important for the people around you to understand and give that space. Maybe some girls are okay and some girls are not okay about it, and then people who are not okay shouldn't be said that isko to kuch hota nahi. All of those things, you've heard that as girls. So I just feel the support around you is very important to help you, may understand you, and I think it's very important at those days that you just feel that you're understood.
Yeah, absolutely. And
Any public toilets, I mean, having a piece of sanitizer is always very handy because you don't know who's used it, what's happened. So yeah, again, I feel sanitizer and the period panty are two things which I carry everywhere.
Ritish, I saw you react as soon as she said that. I'd love for you to give some context here.
I think we were also very honestly surprised. When we were doing a shoot almost 2 months ago, some of the team actually went to her vanity and kind of hijacked it and spent almost like 20 minutes engaging with her, and they did a very natural, organic BTS. And they were doing a what's in a bag with her. And very interesting things came out, but very specifically our sanitizer spray and the period panties were there, so I was actually quite happy about it.
And I was very happy they got a small version of
The
it as well,
25
the 25 ml bottle, because a lot of airports used to stop the
Exactly.
bigger one, so the smaller one actually is very handy to travel.
Ritish, can you...
Sanitizer spray was actually created by my co-founders, Vikas and Shrishna, long back before we even started this company. And it was actually, in fact, the whole brand is actually built out of a personal pain point. Vikas and Shrishna were on a road trip, they got UTI, and Shrishna was so sick that she was hospitalized, and the doctor said it could have happened because you were traveling, you were using all kinds of washrooms, and even the cleanest looking toilet is actually not sanitized. It may be carrying germs, and which is where you can actually get a lot of infections, and very specifically urinary tract infection. It's extremely common amongst women, and that led to the idea of Be Safe. But we realized that we were solving hygiene for women, but a very large part of hygiene was menstrual hygiene. And today in our country, the penetration of feminine hygiene or menstrual hygiene is very, very low. Nearly half of the menstruators or more are not using any hygienic solution during their period, and which is where we decided that we will create education around multiple alternatives available in menstrual hygiene, and we've never really looked back after that. Almost every year we've introduced a new solution. Of course, pads are great, but there is so much more that you could try. And very recently we realized that the ultimate comfort is when you don't feel that you're on a period, and which is where period panties are becoming extremely, extremely common.
So what do you say about today's event?
I think it's a pretty fun event to be, and what PSafe has been doing in terms of the back-end work. I mean, it's so inspiring to just be associated with them, and zero period is something which their motive is, and I hope that we can achieve. And it's been just a fun event to be part of, and coming to a school. And it's been a while that I've come to a school and done an event. So yeah, again, thanks to PSafe. But yeah, again, their work has been just very inspiring.
So many women are facing still problems during the period, especially in village. So what's your suggestion?
Yeah, again, as they said that, I think as they said that, they've been doing so many campaigns around, going to a lot of small villages and raising the awareness around periods. So for sure, I mean, we keep doing that same work whenever I am required. Again, we'll be doing those sort of lot of work in the next 2 odd years and for the longer years, and yeah, again, raise awareness for them around menstrual hygiene and how to take care of themselves during the period. So for sure, I mean, it's still I feel it's a long way to go, but I think he's the best person to answer this question.
No, I think our efforts are to make our product as accessible, as affordable as possible for people in rural India, in urban slums. And I think at grassroots level, what we need to solve for is awareness. So all of our efforts today are actually around how can we make more girls and women aware about periods, that they are normal, and what are the solutions available for them to have comfortable periods.
Next question.
मैम यू हैव इंटरेक्टेड विद किड्स टुडे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कितना अच्छा लगा इंटरेक्शन और क्या अपनी भी कुछ यादें आ गई बचपन की?
बहुत अच्छा लगा इंटरेक्टिंग विद स्मॉल किड्स, और स्पेशली बहुत सारी लड़कियां आई थी जो क्रिकेट एकेडमी से थी. सो बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब यू कम टू स्कूल्स, इट रिमाइंड्स यू, आपको याद आती है कि आप जब स्कूल जाते थे, ऑल स्मॉल थिंग्स, हेड गर्ल्स, हेड बॉयज, उनसे मिली, एंड वो सारे मेमोरीज फ्लैशबैक होते. सो या अगेन इंटरेक्टिंग, और मेन इम्पोर्टेंस ये है कि हम हमारा एक्सपीरियंस हम कैसे लोगों तक पहुंचाए. सो या अगेन कमिंग हियर विद PSafe, आई थिंक आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी एंड डेफिनेटली इट वाज प्रीटी नॉस्टैल्जिक.
What do you say about upcoming World Cup match? So how's your practice end?
We're going to try and keep questions just to today's interaction. If we can avoid World Cup questions, as
One
Rachit
World Cup
said.
question का answer I'll give so that it's fine.
please do.
Yeah.
सबके सब
Yeah.
Yeah, again, we are prepping for the World Cup. We'll be leaving around for a series before World Cup. So the prep has been going well, and I hope that we just keep continuing to work hard and make India proud, and hopefully we can get the cup back home.
Kriti, when you interact with the kids of younger generation, what sort of lessons do you impart to them? Because you've been a player who's been through different levels of international cricket, not just international, but being in different leagues around the world. So when you share those kind of experiences, what sort of questions do these kids come up with? And another part of the question is related to the preparation.
Answer the
Sure.
question. Yeah, again, whenever I interact with the kids, it's very firstly the questions which they ask. I just feel that at that age I would not know what they're asking, but the questions are in a way where they really want to know what we go through, which is extremely nice. And for me, it's very important to give them a message that firstly how sports and cricket has a career, and you can actually make a good career out of it. That's first important thing. And the second important thing for me is what I try and tell is to enjoy the process and what they do playing cricket. I really want all the kids to actually enjoy and just follow your passion. That's extremely important, and that's one message which I always try and give to the young kids.
I just wanted to ask, anything specifics that you've worked at during the camp for the World Cup? Anything in specific?
The camp has gone well, and I would just keep it at that because we would not like to say any specific stuff what we've worked on because we are heading to the World Cup. But all I would say that all the girls are looking in good shape and they've been practicing really well, and a lot of hard work has gone behind.
As someone a lot of young girls look up to, how do you think such partnerships like the one with PSAFE instill confidence in them to talk about things like periods and menstrual hygiene? Like, what role do such partnerships?
It's a very important partnership, I would say. I think one of the most important ones because, again, to be associated with a brand not only for their products but also for the message they put out, and yeah, for me to also help them in a way where I could reach to people and could say their message loud out. And I'm sure that even if we could, like, I could help them to get it to some section of the girls, or I don't know who, or even boys for that case, as he said, because it's very important for the boys also to be educated around it. So if I could help them, I mean, it will be extremely. I'll be extremely happy, and I'm sure a lot of girls, if I speak about it or we all speak about it this openly, I'm sure they'll feel a lot confident going to other people and talking about periods or being comfortable to talk around periods.
Any motivating thing you want to say
Any
to
other
the
question?
any motivating thing you want to say to the young girls out there from your side, fitness and mental health? उसके बारे में कुछ?
Well, the only motivating thing I would say is firstly, hard work is the key to achieving whatever you do, and secondly, I mean, enjoying that hard work is also very important because I feel that's how I look at my life, that whenever you're happy, the hard work always pays off. So that's two things, and yeah, again, I feel sports or physical exercise should be like, if you're not even thinking of a career, but I just feel like 1 hour of any sort of sports or physical activity for all sort of girls is extremely important.
Hi Ritesh, education today goes way beyond just going to schools or talking about just periods, right? I have struggled with PCOS since I started my period, and the thing my gynecologist told me was when you get married this would be solved, which is a very wrong thing to educate, right? As a menstrual hygiene brand, how do you think you want to bring the focus to certain kind of things like PCOS and other menstrual hygiene related problems that many menstruators go through?
No, I think look, there's a lot of conversation by different sections within our society about periods. Some see it naturally, some don't. Even there's still, I think, our gynecologists and health experts, they're also beginning to empathize with women about periods and of course PCOS as well. Our endeavor is today we're solving menstrual hygiene, but eventually we want to solve women's health. Our larger agenda is that once menstrual hygiene or feminine hygiene reaches a meaningful penetration, and if we're able to create or other support in that sense, we will eventually want to talk about everything that a girl requires as she hits puberty until she reaches menopause and beyond. So we want to be that brand who is known for women's health and hygiene from puberty to menopause.
अच्छा मैम, आज भी ऐसे कहीं मतलब मेट्रो सिटी छोड़ के गांव चले जाओ तो वहाँ भी पीरियड को लेके कई बार बातें थी कि लड़कियाँ डरती है, कहीं नहीं, उन्हें क्या कुछ कहेंगे आप? खासतौर गाँव की बात कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ, अभी भी बहुत आई एम श्योर कि गाँव में होता है कि जहाँ पे लड़कियाँ डरती हैं, बट आई एम श्योर जैसे इन्होंने इवेंट में भी बोला है काफ़ी अवेयरनेस कैंपेन्स पी सेफ ने भी करे हैं एंड ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम भी वो मैसेज उनको पहुँचाएगी। ये बहुत नॉर्मल है और इसमें कोई छुपाने की बात नहीं है। सो फॉर श्योर हम लोग काफ़ी चीज़ें करेंगे फ्यूचर में भी कि हम ये मैसेज जिन लोगों तक हम ये पहुंचा पाए, आई मीन वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट, और यही मैसेज उनके लिए होगा कि ये बहुत ही नॉर्मल चीज़ है एंड इसमें कोई छुपाने या डरने की बात नहीं है।
इनफैक्ट ये पहली बार हो रहा है कि एक फोरम में मीडिया के सामने पीरियड्स की बातें इतनी नॉर्मली की जा रही है। वी आर द फर्स्ट पीपल एंड स्मृति is actually the first celebrity to talk about it so openly. So I'm really happy for all of you to have come here.